How easy to remove unwanted text on using Remove tool in Photoshop. Select Remove tool. Brush size on 80. Click on Settings icon. Select the color on black. Opacity on 100. Click and apply for unwanted area. Automatic removing. Next, apply for next column. Remove the all unwanted numbers. Apply for all numbers in one click. Automatic removing. And next, apply for next column. Apply for all unwanted numbers on one click. Automatic removing. And next, apply for single column. Apply for all unwanted numbers. Automatic removing. Look at the image. Thank you for watching videos.